Hi, my name is Candace Summons, and I will be doing a presentation of Airbnb strategic analysis. This presentation provides a comprehensive analysis of Airbnb's strategic position. It evaluates the company's internal strengths, external environment, and financial performance. The goal is to identify strategies that will support long-term growth and competitive advantage. Airbnb has established a strong global brand supported by a scalable, asset-light platform. The short-term rental industry continues to grow due to increasing demand for flexible and experience-based travel accommodations. However, Airbnb faces rising competition from companies such as Expedia and Bookings.com, as well as regulatory pressures in key markets. As a result, the company must balance growth with risk management and differentiation to maintain its competitive advantage. The industry for short term rentals has experienced steady growth driven by changing consumer preferences. Travelers are increasingly seeking unique and personalized experiences rather than traditional hotel stays. At the same time, the industry remains sensitive to economic conditions, meaning that demand can fluctuate during periods of economic uncertainty. This makes it really significant for Airbnb to maintain flexibility and adaptability in its strategy. The external analysis highlights both opportunities and threats that Airbnb faces. Some of the opportunities include international expansion and advancements in technology that enhance platform capabilities. However, Airbnb also faces significant threats, including strict regulations in major cities and increasing competition. These external factors require the company to remain adaptable and proactive in its strategic decision making. Airbnb has really strong opportunities to growth, especially into international markets that haven't been tapped into yet. This allows the company to diversify revenue streams and reach new customer segments. Additionally, increasing demand for unique travel experiences aligns with Airbnb's core value proposition. Technology also provides opportunities to improve personalization and overall platform efficiency. Even with the opportunities that Airbnb is presented with, they also are facing threats. Airbnb faces regulatory restrictions in major cities, which limit the availability of listings and reduce growth potential. Competition from platforms like Expedia and Booking.com continues to intensify as they expand into the short term rental market. Additionally, economic downturns can reduce discretionary spending on travel, impacting demand. Airbnb's internal analysis shows a lot of strengths and weaknesses. The company benefits from strong brand recognition, a scalable platform, and an asset light business model. However, challenges include inconsistent service quality across listings and dependence on third party hosts. Addressing these weaknesses is essential to maintaining customer satisfaction and long term growth. Now, to go into detail about Airbnb's strengths, it does have a very widely known brand, so that attracts a ton of customers internationally. Additionally, its digital platform allows for rapid expansion without significant capital investment. This scalability enables Airbnb to grow efficiently compared to traditional hospitality companies. Okay, now I'll go over some of Airbnb's weaknesses. They do face some internal challenges. Service quality can vary significantly across listings, which can directly impact customer experience. The company also heavily relies on third party hosts, which creates less control for them over operations. Finally, regulatory exposure continues to present ongoing risks. Airbnb does operate in a highly competitive environment. Their main two competitors would be Expedia and Bookings.com, and especially since they have been tapping into the short term rental market. Traditional hotels are also expanding into the short term rental market as well. As a result, Airbnb must continue to differentiate themselves to maintain its market position. Airbnb's key competitive advantage is their differentiation strategy. They focus on unique, localized experiences rather than standardized lodging. This approach allows Airbnb to build strong customer loyalty and avoid direct price competition. Maintaining this differentiation is crucial for long term success. The strategic tools such as SWOT and space analysis show that Airbnb is in a really good position to grow. The company's strengths align closely with market opportunities. This positioning supports strategies focused on market expansion and product development. Overall, Airbnb is in a strong position to pursue aggressive but controlled growth. Now, the financial analysis supports the recommended strategy. The EPS or EBIT analysis indicates that equity financing maximizes earnings per share while minimizing financial risk. This is particularly important in a volatile industry like travel. Projected financial statements show consistent revenue growth and increasing profitability. Airbnb's financial performance continues to improve over time. Their liquidity increases significantly, indicating stronger cash management and stability. Profitability ratios remain strong, demonstrating efficient use of resources. Additionally, the company's valuation reflects strong investor confidence and growth potential. Based on this analysis, there are several strategic recommendations for Airbnb. First, Airbnb should expand into new international markets to drive growth. Second, the company should enhance customer experience through personalization and improved host support. Finally, continued investment in technology and innovation will strengthen its competitive advantage. Leadership plays a critical role in executing these strategies. Airbnb must foster a culture of innovation and adaptability so that way they can respond to market changes. Data driven decision making and cross functional collaboration will also help improve performance, and strong leadership ensures successful implementation of strategic initiatives. Successful execution does require a pretty clear implementation plan. Airbnb should increase investment in platform development to improve user experience. Additionally, strengthening partnerships with regulators will help reduce compliance risks. Expanding targeted marketing efforts will also support growth and brand positioning. In conclusion, Airbnb is in a very good position for long term success. It has a strong brand, scalable platform, and a differentiation strategy that provides a solid foundation for growth. By balancing expansion with financial discipline and innovation, Airbnb can maintain its competitive advantage. Overall, the company is prepared to succeed in an evolving and competitive global market.